Hello. When I came home in the car last night, it was bitterly cold. There was a biting wind and there was frost. And as I drove onto the drive, I caught sight of something in my headlights that made me stop. And at this point in time, I'd asked you to try and guess what it is. But because you've read the title of this video, you know what it is. It was a small bird. A little bird sitting on the drive, freezing cold weather. So I got out of the car, went over and picked the bird up. And it was only very small. And had it stayed out that night, I don't think it would have made it through the night. I suspect it had possibly flown into a window, but it had certainly had some sort of accident or trauma. And it was just sitting, it couldn't move, so I picked it up, I took it indoors and I put it in this box. So I guess you can tell by now that it wasn't a very big bird. Now it was dark, and so I couldn't tell what sort of bird it was, but it's in this box, and this box has been indoors all night. And I thought, well, if this bird's going to survive, it needs to go indoors, it needs to be kept warm, and then it either does or it doesn't. So there's only going to be one of a couple of outcomes here. When we open this box, this bird's going to emerge. It's been in the dark all night, so I'm not too sure if it'll be able to see what it's doing. It may just walk out, it may fly out, I don't know. Or I may have to empty it out of the box. It may not have made it. So we'll go and release the bird now and see if it's made it, shall we? We'll just do it on these stones to my left. Come on, let's go. Wow, that was quick. I thought it might have, its eyesight would have been affected by being in this box in the dark all night, and that it might have been a bit disorientated when it came out. If it came out, well, it certainly came out, didn't it? It came out at a rate of knots. I think it fell out and then off it went. So a happy end to this story. It's Homegrown Veg, signing off.